Hello students, it is a question in GATE 2018 from the subject called programming and asked for 1 mark. Here there are two functions are given, one is calc, another is main, and one global variable counter which is initialized to 0. And you know that program execution always starts with the main, and first statement in the main is calc. It is calling a function called calc of 4 comma 81. It means it is going to enter into this function with value of a equal to 4 and value of b equal to 81. And here the first statement, very soon as it enter into the function block, counter is going to be incremented by 1. Because counter is incremented by 1 and the next statement is b equal to 3, what is the value of b? 81 here. Equal to 3 is incorrect, so that it goes to else part of the function block. In the else part we have two statements. One is c equal to calc of a, that is 4 comma b by 3, 81 by 3, it is 27. On return it executes a return statement, return c cube, c star c star c. Again it calls the calc function with a value 4 now, b value 27. On entry into the function call, counter is incremented by 1, that is counter will become 2 now. Next value of b is 27, equal to 3 is false, so that it executes the else part. Else part again is having two statements, that is c equal to calc of a, that is 4, b by 3, 27 by 3, 9, and executes the return part. On return c star c star c, that is c cube. Again the value of a is 4, b is 9. It enter into the function call for one more time. Now counter is going to be incremented from 2 to 3, incremented by 1. Again value of b equal to 3 false, so that it executes the else part. In the else part we have c equal to calc of a, that is 4, and b by 3, 9 by 3, 3. On return it executes a return statement, return c star c star c, that is I am writing cube, c cube. Again a is 4, b equal to 3. Again it is going to enter into the function body for one more time. Now counter is incremented by 1. Now counter is going to become 4, b equal to 3, b equal to 3, yes. Now b is 3, yes, b equal to 3. So the condition is true, it executes the true part of the program, that is return a cube, that is 4 cube is written to this function call, and to this function call, and to this, and to main. So on return to main from this function call, just observe what it is printing. It is printing the value of counter. Now see what is the value of counter after the execution of the function body. Now the counter is 4, so the answer for this question is